Good morning student, welcome back. Today we will complete our exercise on the topic talking about things too. In this topic I introduce you 6 new words. These words are in, on, near, under, in front of and behind. मुलांनो, आज आपण टॉकिंग अबाउट थिंग्स 2 या भागावर आधारित स्वाध्याय सोडवणार आहोत. या भागामध्ये आपण 6 नवीन शब्दांचा अर्थ समजून घेतला आहे. आपल्या पहिल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी तुम्हाला इन आणि ऑन या शब्दांची ओळख करून दिली. इन इन म्हणजे च्या मध्ये. ऑन ऑन म्हणजे च्या वर. आपल्या दुसऱ्या व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्हाला नियर आणि अंडर या शब्दांचा अर्थ समजला. नियर NEAR नियर म्हणजे च्या जवळ. अंडर UNDER अंडर म्हणजे च्या खाली. आपल्या तिसऱ्या व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्हाला इन फ्रंट ऑफ आणि बिहाइंड या शब्दांची ओळख झाली. इन फ्रंट ऑफ इन फ्रंट ऑफ म्हणजे च्या समोर. बिहाइंड BEHIND बिहाइंड म्हणजे च्या मागे. मुलांनो, या शब्दांमध्ये ऑन आणि अंडर ही विरुद्ध अर्थाची शब्द आहेत. तसेच इन फ्रंट ऑफ आणि बिहाइंड ही देखील विरुद्ध अर्थाची शब्द आहेत. या शब्दांना आपण इंग्रजीमध्ये ऑपोजिट वर्ड किंवा अँटोनिम्स असे म्हणतो. तर मग चला सुरू करूया या भागावर आधारित स्वाध्याय. नाउ ओपन युअर बुक, पेज नंबर 12. Question number 2. Look at the picture and frame at least 3 sentences for each of these words. चित्रे पहा आणि यातील प्रत्येक शब्दासाठी किमान 3 वाक्य तयार करा. इन, ऑन, अंडर, नियर, इन फ्रंट ऑफ, बिहाइंड. मुलांनो, चित्रावरून आपण ही शब्द वापरून वाक्य तयार करूया. नाउ लुक ॲट द पिक्चर. व्हॉट आर यू सीइंग इन दिस पिक्चर? यस, umbrella, old woman, apples, basket, pumpkin, mat. Now we will make the sentence. First word is in. The tomatoes are in the basket. The tomatoes are in the basket. Now the next one, on. First, the pumpkin is on the mat. The pumpkin is on the mat. Second, the basket is on the mat. The basket is on the mat. Third sentence, the old woman is sitting on the mat. The old woman is sitting on the mat. Now the next word, under. The old woman is sitting under the umbrella. The old woman is sitting under the umbrella. Second, the mat is under the basket. The mat is under the basket. Third, the mat is under the pumpkin. The mat is under the pumpkin. Now the next word, near. First, the pumpkin is near the basket. The pumpkin is near the basket. Second, the pumpkin is near the old woman. The pumpkin is near the old woman. Now the next word, in front of. The basket is in front of the old woman. The basket is in front of the old woman. Next word, behind. The old woman is sitting behind the basket. The old woman is sitting behind the basket. Now look at the second picture. What are you seeing in this picture? Cloud, sun, hills, tree, cow, car, house, boy, girl, and slide and rider. Now we will make the sentence. The first word, in. The clouds are in the sky. The clouds are in the sky. Second, the boy is in the house. The boy is in the house. On. The girl is playing on the slide and rider. The girl is playing on the slide and rider. Now the next word, under. The cow is sitting under the tree. The cow is sitting under the tree. Next word, near. The tree is near the house. The tree is near the house. Second sentence. The slide and rider is near the house. The slide and rider is near the house. Next word, in front of. The car is in front of the house. The car is in front of the house. Second, the house is in front of the hill. The house is in front of the hill. Third, the tree is in front of the hill. The tree is in front of the hill. Next word, behind. The sun is behind the hill. The sun is behind the hills. Second, the house is behind the car. The house is behind the car. Now, the next picture. Look at this picture. What are you seeing in this picture? Pot, pen, pencil, clock, spectacles, notebook, and scale. Now, we will make the sentence. First word, in. The pencil is in the pot. The pencil is in the pot. Second, the pen is in the pot. The pen is in the pot. Third, the scale is in the notebook. The scale is in the notebook. Next word, on. The spectacles is on the notebook. The spectacle is on the notebook. Next word, near. The pot is near the notebook. The pot is near the notebook. Next word, behind. The clock is behind the
notebook. The clock is behind the notebook. Now, the next picture. Look at this picture carefully. What are you seeing? Cat, fish tank, doll, plant, fish, stone, and water. Now, we will make the sentence. First, in. The fishes are in the fish tank. The fishes are in the fish tank. Second, the plant is in the fish tank. The plant is in the fish tank. Third, the stones are in the fish tank. The stones are in the fish tank. Fourth, the water is in the fish tank. The water is in the fish tank. Next word, on. The doll is on the fish tank. The doll is on the fish tank. Under.
The orange fish is under the stone. The orange fish is under the stone.
Near. The plant is near the stone. The plant is near the stone. Next word, in front of. The fish tank is in front of the cat. The fish tank is in front of the cat. Next word, behind. The cat is behind the fish tank. The cat is behind the fish tank.
मुलांनो, अशा प्रकारे आपण प्रत्येक चित्रामधून इन, ऑन, नियर, अंडर, इन फ्रंट ऑफ, बिहाइंड या शब्दांचा वापर करून वाक्य तयार केली. तुम्ही सुद्धा पुस्तकातील इतर चित्र पाहून अशी वाक्य तयार करू शकता. मुलांनो, हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.